Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. You'll see in the photos the boat has the quantum blue hull sides, matched with a white sports tower with quantum blue inlays. For power, we've set the boat up with the 300 horsepower Mercury V8 done in white. You have the gray C-neck padding that runs across your with swim platform. You're all the way up to the bow of the boat. You have a nice big sun pad across the transom of the boat with an adjustable backrest to give you a headrest that lays down. Some back support. As you make your way into the cockpit of the boat, designated storage all around. This one has a drain built in, so you can use as a cooler. Gas strut assist. L-shaped seating on the port side. You have a flip-up bolster for added height on your companion seat, as well as an adjustable backrest, and then a double wide helm seat with an adjustable bolster. This boat does have digital throttle and shift, dual SIMRAD screens, has the multicolor LED lighting package, underwater lighting. Underneath the console is your head compartment. It's outfitted with the vacuum flush head, cushion package, and freshwater sink. Opposite of that is your Fusion stereo head unit, designated storage for your tabletops, bow block off window and door, two full-length loungers in the bow of the boat. This boat is outfitted with the stone interior, which is the light gray and darker gray trim, and you have a designated bow anchor locker as well. So a real quick look at our 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX. For more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.